Maybe I will shock the other creative people when I say this, but we are egoist.
Of course.
Why we are egoist? Because the people think we do this for the other people. No. I was a bad student, but I was very good with my mind. My first choice was to work the wood.
Wood, as a craftsman.
Yeah, to do the marquetry.
Yeah.
After this, I chose to go in the micro-mechanic in '76. The people give me this counsel to do, he give me also the direction. You can restore for Christie's, Sotheby's, Antiquarium, museum, important collector. So I go to the School of Watchmaker. I have the vision in my mind.
Vision,
so,
yes.
I work like a computer, so I can do everything with no draw.
Yes.
I know exactly the direction and what I have to do, and I can make with my mind. It was very good for the restoration, because when you see movement
Yes.
and many parts it's loose,
Yes.
and you have to remake the construction of this movement, and
Yes.
you don't know really the mechanism, so you have to reinvent
Yes.
with the spare part loose
Yes.
the mechanism and remake in the same style. First you have to imagine the mechanism, but you have also to look in the which way and which style this brand was doing, so
Yes.
you must know the history. You match steel and art with the technology. And this it's the big difficulty. At one point I think why I don't do myself, my brand, my watch.
Yes.
Because I am watchmaker, to reboot the watchmaker finally in the front. My feeling was right, because before I finish the watch, I have already many collectors won't buy the watch. After this, if it's possible, you need a good design. But basically, the real collector, I mean, the crazy of the engineering.
Yes.
Even the look of the watch are not, I can say, that genius. Basically, one classical.
Yes.
If the mechanism is good, he want this. My type of customer are people do something, so we are talking in the fashion.
Yes.
I have many friends in the fashion, I have many friends in the architecture, in the movie system, in the rock system,
Yeah, but how did you get
in
to
the
know
sport
them? Yeah,
system.
but how do you know these people? How did you get
I know because he won't see me and talk with me, so I
really?
meet many come here. When you are creative,
Yes.
the creative people are hungry. He eat.
They want to take your energy.
He eat. He need energy.
Yes.
And most of the time you have an attraction where it's the energy.
Yes.
So for
Actually,
me, I see people with energy, and they see me, and it's
Being.
yeah, it's being. So we are talking. Doesn't matter what you are talking.
Yes.
After you match,
Yes.
something happens. You know, when I travel, I meet people, and each people give me idea. When I take the energy, something come in my mind,
Yes.
but I see. After I have just to return here and do. I was good friend to Gianni Versace.
Yes.
And one day he asked me, put your attention and do something.
Help me with my
yeah.
watches. Yes.
Yeah. And I remember when I go, he he was just making the inauguration of the shop in New York and the house in New York. And Elton John was here. He was making the photo book with Avon or something.
Avedon, yeah, Richard Avedon.
Yeah.
Yes.
The photographer. And so some people was here, and when I show the first range I do for him, people was saying this, like this, strange the color, da. And some people work with him but high position, say, why you don't think the dial, huh? He come upset and he said to everybody, shut up, he do like this, he must be like this. And effectively, when I say we are egoist in the creative, I can say we are dictator also.
Yes.
Because when I have people work to my marketing and they won't do catalog, I do the catalog. And the spirit, I think it's dictator and egoist. Gianni was like this. I have friends in architecture. Kenzo Tanguay, for example,
yes.
He make a big building everywhere in the world. And when I talk with him, he are the same. He imagine the building, he want like this, and it's like this. It's for some reason other people come, we have to do this because I don't know, the air conditioning place we cannot put here, we'll put here, and they start to compromise.
Yes.
The vision.
Sculpture.
You come upset. Why I make the Vegas watch is because I was with Steve Wynn in Vegas, so you see when you meet people and you travel, you get the idea.
So Steve Wynn, was that his idea?
No, it was not the idea, but he put me upset because I was dinner with Steve Wynn, and I say, hey Steve, tomorrow I play, look the table and make me win. And he looked me very shocked and he said, but it's not possible what you are talking. I say, you are the boss, I mean, everything is possible. You have camera everywhere.
Clear.
You can tell me how many I lose.
Clear.
Every day. So put me win. No, it's not possible. So it was the joke between together. I say, if you cannot do, I will make the watch, the people choose the number replay. So the idea with the Vegas, so you push the button, so you put your energy,
yes.
make a turn the hands,
yes.
and when you stop the hands, but the hands go quick, so you cannot decide the number, but still it's you.
What is the most valuable watch you've ever restored?
The most value is the one I make.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you actually made one?
Yeah.
What's your most expensive one?
It's the most complicated wristwatch in the world.
Yes.
It was the most complicated 92, and the customer buy me this one. He will come in 94
Yes.
with the watch, and he tell me somebody are very close now to make something. He can reach. I want
Better again.
better. So we retake this watch. We will make much more complicated, and still it's the most complicated in,
How much is this
in
watch?
the world. He have the insurance for 4.5 million.